Welcome to the channel. This is a set of 10 quiz questions in the AI field for advanced and experienced users. You have 15 seconds to guess the correct answer of each question. If you are a beginner, please check the quiz video for beginners in the details section of this video to see if you are up to the challenge. At the end of the video, please write down how many answers you answered correctly in the comments section. So in the next video, I can adjust the difficulty level based on users' overall rating. Let's start. Which of the following best describes the challenge of explainable AI? What is the primary benefit of using generative adversarial networks? What is the vanishing gradient problem in deep learning? Which of the following is a key consideration when deploying AI models in real-world applications? What is federated learning? What is the role of attention mechanisms in deep learning? Which of the following is a current research area in AI ethics? Which technique is often used to address the cold start problem in recommender systems? What is Bayesian optimization commonly used for? Which of the following is a challenge in applying AI to healthcare? As said before, please write down your score in the comments section, then like and subscribe if you enjoyed this quiz. We have a good course about the topic if you want to enroll. I will leave its link in the details section as well. Then, you can watch another video from our channel that will appear in front of you soon.